Oh my! Irashamase! Welcome! You're welcome back to Nifty Cat with all of these cute little wings. Such cute little wings. Somebody has a new hat that right now has feathers on it. And he's not quite sure what to think about it. Well, in the meantime, we are very delighted to talk to you in today's video about a kitty named Homer. Well, Homer was a blind cat who survived 911. Homer lived from 1997 to 2013. Homer was a beautiful black kitty. Well, Gwen Cooper had adopted him. Yes, she said that he completely changed her life. He was a very friendly kitty. He was able to get around a lot through smell, and he was very known for jumping very high despite the fact that he was blind. He could smell his way around, he used whiskers, he used sound, and he was even able to navigate great big leaps, which I think is amazing for a kitty. Gwen had originally moved to New York from Palm Beach, Florida, and she had adopted him around that time. Well, she had a Facebook page and had gotten famous after moving to New York City. Yeah. When he lived in Miami, Florida, he clawed and he meowed and he chased away a thief who had tried to break into their house. Well, that hero kitty went to New York City, and he had been there for about 7 months when 911 happened. The building that he was into had a lot of trouble and blew up, along with the other buildings that had blown up in the bombs. Debris had hit it, and it had really affected the building and basically pretty much collapsed it. Well, he lived in that financial district when that bomb had hit. He was trapped in the apartment for several days after the 911 bombings had happened. He survived there with several other kitties that his mother, Gwen, had. Well, he stayed there and made it through that experience even though he was blind. He ended up having a book written called Homer Odyssey, written by Gwen Cooper. Yes. Well, since that time, he became a spokescat for cats everywhere who have special needs. And he was proof that they can learn to survive and even thrive, even though they may have special needs and they may be disabled and blind or deaf or other types of disabilities. Yes, I really respect that. And I thank all of you for watching this video today. It's wonderful to talk about it. Just amazing. Thank you all so very much. If you like the contents of our videos, don't forget to tick those paws and paw that like button. You can paw the subscription button and you can paw the notification bell. Paw all when you paw the notification and you'll be notified so that you can see all of Neffy Cat's videos. Well, thank you all so very much, and we look forward to seeing you with all of these cute little wings. Such cute little wings in the next video.